everyone, myself Pallavi Patil from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. This subject is a computer network subject. Student, you don't have any external exam of this subject. You have the internal practical exam of this subject. Okay, 25 marks exam. The computer network subject and subject code is a 22417. There's a 12 practical in this subject. So let's see the first practical number 1. Configure peer-to-peer network. So what are the outcomes of this video? The learner will be able to understand what is a peer-to-peer network. Okay. This is a practical number 1. So first we identify and know the use of the peer-to-peer network and configure to peer-to-peer network. And different program outcomes like a basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools and communication. This is a practical student. This is a practical screenshot. Okay. And step of the peer-to-peer network and main output is the basic concept of the networking and setting the computer network setup and computer network for the specific requirement. Okay, let's say the first what is a network? Network क्या होता है students? Network basically it is a board term, is a similar system. Network is a communication system which support many users. Okay, network is any interconnection of two or more station which to be communicate. Node means each station in a communication network is called as a node. So computer network मतलब is simple. So computer network is a group of computer and other computer is a hardware device use सकते हैं link together through the communication channel and communication and resource sharing among the range of the user. This is a computer network. It can be communicated among the other computer that are be connected in the network. The next this is a block diagram. This is a diagram of the work group of the peer-to-peer network. So peer-to-peer सबसे पहले हम लोग peer to peer कॉन्फ़िगर करना है तो we need to require the cross cable its use. Okay, one end it's used to transmitting and other end receiving the data. The peer-to-peer network is when all the computers are the same network that considered as a peer. Okay, and we'll have to connect to hub और स्विच और राउटर यूज़ कर सकते हैं हम लोग कनेक्ट करने के लिए. So there is no server control or one in charge. The computer is a work group. Share the resource such as the printer and files. Printer और file share कर सकते हो. The working is automatically set up when you set up network and then they share the same subnet. Okay, this is a peer-to-peer network and this is a work group showing the typical example of the work group. Okay, so peer-to-peer means a peer is a someone or something that has the same role. Okay, has the object or person or in a question. Okay, in a contents of computer network, peers are the computer is equal capability. Okay, that is a peer. And each computer and responsibility for the setting up and maintaining its own security for its resources. So peer-to-peer network is useful for a small network is containing less than 10 computers on a single LAN. Okay, and each computer maintain its own account, their own security setting. That is a peer. The next is the procedure to set the static IP on your Windows or computer. Okay, so let's see. The click on start menu. Okay, next control panel, network and sharing the center, and click the change the adapter setting. Okay, next right click on the local area connection and click the properties. Okay, click the properties. Next show this diagram. Select the internet protocol version 4, TCP IP version 4 हम लोग को select करना है, and click the properties. Okay, select use the following IP address and enter the IP address, subnet mask or DNS server. Click the OK and close. Okay, so local area connection properties of Windows. Next how work group work. भी work group कैसे work करेंगे. So a computer join a work group is assigned to the same work group name. This process make accessing the computer easily. Okay, तो नेक्स्ट हम लोग को क्या करना है, क्लिक करना है स्टार्ट बटन, राइट क्लिक ऑन द कंप्यूटर एंड देन क्लिक द प्रॉपर्टी 2 अंडर द कंप्यूटर नेम, डोमेन एंड वर्क ग्रुप सेटिंग एंड क्लिक द चेंज द सेटिंग. नेक्स्ट स्टेप 3 में हम लोग को क्या करना है, सिस्टम प्रॉपर्टी चेंज करना है. डायलॉग बॉक्स शो होगा, उसकी प्रॉपर्टी चेंज करना है. क्लिक द कंप्यूटर नेम टैब एंड देन क्लिक द चेंज इन. ओके, सो कंप्यूटर नेम एंड डोमेन नेम चेंज भी डायलॉग बॉक्स अंडर द member of the click work group. So then do one thing to join the existing work group. That type the name of the work group and that you want to join, then click OK. Okay, to create a new work group, the type name of the work group that want to create the click the OK. Okay, and note repeated step IP address and stop the work group in the third computer. And these are the different peer to peer application. बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशन है peer to Skype, instant message and Bitcoin. ओके, ओपन गार्डन, डलेसा, बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशन है peer to peer एप्लीकेशन के. ओके, नेक्स्ट this conclusion is, the result and conclusion is to configure the peer-to-peer configuration, peer-to-peer computer in a network. ठीक है, this is a practical number 1. Any doubt regarding practical number 1 we will discuss in a lecture. Next video we will see the practical number 2. Thank you.